So first you want to loosen this one and this one over here on this side. Loosen these two. That way you got slack right here. You can see how it's loose right here. See how it's loose? You want it loose right there. That way the tire can go back and front. And then if you look right here, this is onto this bar. This is right here, and this is the chain adjuster right here. So right now it's loose. You see how loose it is? Now to tighten it, you're gonna want to pull back the tire like that, and you're gonna want to loosen this one out. Loosen this one out till you get it in the position you want it. And once you get that one in the position, you're gonna tighten this one. See how it's getting tighter? Then you want to tighten this one, that way it don't move on you. Then you want to do the same thing to the other side. You want this one loose until you're ready to tighten it. Kind of measure the distance to this one. Make sure they're the same. Measure that with your finger, 1 inch, and then this side will be 1 inch too as well. Just make sure measure them the same, so they're about the same right there. And then, like I said, you tighten this one to make sure it don't come loose. Come good. No more slack in the chain.